we try to use the ChatGPT for blogging, articles writing, and editing. Okay, let me. And just a few days ago, I restarted my website because it was affected by the virus. So I delete all the documents. So restart from beginning. So this one is the first. So blah blah. Okay. I just copy. Ask this one to the blogging for this one. Blog. Check. Or editing the following article for blog. Copy paste here to see what happens. Very nice writing, better than me. I spent hours to write this one, but not just 1 or 2 minutes. Amazing. Good assistant. I even said use the WhatsApp, so maybe they consider privacy. They even delete the contact number. Good. Okay. I'll directly change, modify this one. So I edited this post. In real time. Because I have the form, but sometimes the form got the rubbish, the junk mail. So change hello. Click update. Okay, view the post. See, very neat. So now make your job. If you do the blogging and writing some articles, they can help you to edit, to correct the grammar and other things. They are intelligent because this AI is text based. Do the text editing is their strong points. Okay.